This is the question of 4C exercise second E. Minus 6 upon 20 minus 4 upon 5. Now here see the denominators are not equal, so we will make their denominator equal. So to make the denominators equal, we will take the LCM. So LCM of 20 and 5 is 20. So I think you know how to take a LCM 20 and 5. So by which number this 20 can be divisible? The 20 can divisible by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 0, 5 is written as it is. Now again we can divide this 10 by 2, 2 5 ja 10, 5 as it is. Now 5 and 5 left, so it can be divisible by 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. So LCM is 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. So LCM is 20. And here this plus and minus multiply each other, and plus minus equal to minus. I think these rules also you know. Plus into minus, a plus into plus equal to plus. These are the rules. Then plus into minus equal to minus, minus into plus, minus and minus into minus equal to plus. So when the two signs are multiplied, so plus into plus equal to plus, and minus into minus equal to plus, and for plus minus, minus and minus plus equal to minus. So here plus minus equal to minus. Now make the denominator equal, so multiply this 5 by 4, so this becomes 16 upon 20. Now this is also in minus and this number also in minus, so we will add the numbers. So after adding the numbers, 16 minus 6 total 22 and the sign minus. Now this we can write in the form of mixed fraction. In the form of the mixed fraction. So 20 1 ja 20 plus 2 22, and this number also we can write as, we can simplify this, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 1 ja 2, minus 11 upon 10, and this 11 upon 10 we can write as 1 complete 1 upon 10, and the sign minus. Next question, F minus 3 upon 4 plus 18 upon 20. So here also denominator are different, so make the denominator equal to 8. Take the LCM, so LCM is 20. So first number denominator is 4, so read the table of 4 5s are 20, so multiply the denominator 5 as well as the numerator by 5. So this number now minus 3 becomes minus 15. Now their denominator equal, so we can write the number minus 15 plus 18. So here the numbers minus 15 and 18. So different sign are there. For different sign we have to subtract the numbers. The rules that I discussed in the previous video. First number in minus, second number in plus, so we have to subtract. So subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, so you get 3 and the sign of bigger number, and upon 20. So plus 3 upon 20 is the answer. Now question number 3, find the sum of the following. This question is also same as question number 2. Here also we will see the denominator. If the denominator is not equal, then we will make the denominator equal. So let's see the 3B, third B question. Here see plus sign and minus sign. So this plus sign and minus sign one after another between the between these two numbers there is a bracket, so this sign plus multiply with minus becomes minus 1 upon 8. Now LCM of 9 and 8 equals to 72. 9 and 8 both not having the common factor, so direct also we can write their LCM by multiplying 9 into 8. So read the table of 9. 9 8s are 72, because 9 and 8 both not having a common factor. So direct we can write a LCM by multiplying the number. So LCM is 72. So to make 72, multiply by 8, denominator as well as numerator, and here also the denominator is 8, so multiply this by 9. Denominator multiplying 9, so multiply the 9 in the numerator also. So the denominators become 72. Now we can subtract these two numbers, 8 minus 9. So 8 minus 9, we will write 8 minus 9. Now 8 is plus, 9 is minus, so we have to subtract the number. So subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So 9 minus 8 equals to 1, and the sign of bigger number, that is minus. So minus 1 upon 72 is the answer. Next, this is the C question of third. 2 upon 15 plus minus 3 upon 4. Here also there is a bracket between the plus and minus, so we will open the bracket and we will multiply the sign. Open the bracket, multiply the sign. So plus into minus equals to minus. Now see the denominator are 15 and 4. Now there is no common factor between the 15 and 4. So what we will do, we will multiply the denominators to get the LCM, or you can use that method also. So 15 4s are 60. And the another method to find the LCM of two numbers, what? Draw this line, write down the numbers 4 and 15. Now by 2, 4 can be divisible, 2 2s are 4, but 15 cannot be divisible by 2. So write down 15 as it is. Now again we can, this 2 can be divisible by 2, so 2 1s are 2. Now what we will do, we will see by which number that 15 can be divisible. So by 3 that 15 can be divisible, so 1 we will write as it is. Now 3 5s are 15. Next step, 5, by 5 only that 5 can be divisible, so 5 1s are 5. So here what left, 1 1 left, so we will leave it here. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So our LCM is 60. So make 15 16 multiplied by 4, denominator as well as numerator. Here denominator is 4, so multiply it by 15, denominator as well as numerator. So the number becomes 8 upon 60, 45 upon 60. Now denominators are equal, so we will write their numerators. So 8 minus 45. Now 8 minus 45, one number is negative, this number is negative, and this number is positive, so we have to subtract. So subtract the 45, subtract the 8 from the 45. So what? 8, subtract 8 from the 45, so this number become 15, and this number will become 3. 15 minus 8, 7, and 3 as it is 37. So 37 upon 60, and the sign of bigger number, and bigger number is 45. So minus 37 upon 16 is the answer. Next, question number 4, subtract 3 upon 4 from 7 upon 8. So what? We have to subtract 3 upon 4 from 7 upon 8, from the 7 upon 8. So write down 7 upon 8 minus 3 upon 4. Now see, their denominator not equal, so what we will do, we will make their denominator equal. And how we will make? By taking the LCM. So what is the LCM of 8 and 4? So if one number is multiple of another number, so the LCM is bigger number, or you can find out by this method also. You can write 8 comma 4. Now 8 and 4 both can be divisible by 2, so 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Now again we can divide this number by 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Next 2 1s are 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 is the LCM. And one more thing what I was saying to you, that if one number is multiple of another number, here 8 is multiple of 4, 4 2s are 8, so the LCM is bigger number, so bigger number is 8, so LCM is 8. Now this number denominator is, to make this number denominator 8 multiplied by 2, so we will multiply 2 in the number, in the numerator as well as the denominator. This 7 upon 8 we will write as it is. Now 3 into 2 upon 4 into 2 equals to 7 upon 8 minus, so this number will become 7 upon 8 as it is, minus 6 upon 8. So now 8 denominator, that is common, so 7 minus 6, so 7 minus 6 equals to 1 upon 8 answer. So as you can solve the remaining questions, here from is written, so after from whatever the number is written, that number you have to write first, then the number written before from, that number you write the second place, and between them minus sign. Okay, so the 1 upon 8 is the answer of the fourth A. Let's see the other questions answers. So here I solved D4D question. Oh sorry, this question is of third D and third F. So these questions also you can solve. Try to solve and find out the answer. These answer of 3D and 3F. Now this question 4A that I solved, answer is 1 upon 8. Now 4C minus 4 upon 7. So you have to subtract 4 upon 7. From minus 6 upon 7. So second, after from which number is written, write it first, minus 6 upon 7, then from, so minus sign because we have to subtract in this question. Now second number is minus 4 upon 7, so we have written minus 4 upon 7. Now minus minus becomes plus. If there is a bracket between the two sign, then we will multiply the sign, so minus minus plus. So minus 6 upon 7 and 4 upon 7. So see the denominator are equal, 7 and 7. So write the denominator, and then minus 6 plus 4. So minus 6 plus 4, sign are different. So the we have to subtract the numbers. 6 minus 4, 2, and the sign of bigger number, and the bigger number is 6. So sign minus. So minus 2 upon 7 is the answer. Next question. This is the question 4D, and this is the question 4F. Now subtract 5 upon 8 from minus 9 upon 10. So we will write minus 9 upon 10 first, then we will put the minus sign, and 5 upon 8. Now LCM of 10 and 8. So here is the LCM of 10 and 8 is 10 can be divisible by 2, and 8 both can be divisible by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 5 as it is. Now this 4 we will write, 2 2s are 4, again by 2, 2 1s are 2, and this 5 written as it is. Now 5 1s are 5. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. Now 10, first number denominator is 10, so multiply it by 4 in the numerator as well as denominator, and second number denominator is 8, so multiply this number by 5, 8 5s are 40. So if you are multiplying in the denominator, so multiply in the numerator also by 5. So 4 9s are 36 and this 5 5s are 25. Now minus 36 minus 25. The sign of 36 minus sign of 25 is also minus. So minus 36 minus 25 equals to minus 61 upon 40. So now minus 61 upon 40 we can write as, how we can write 61 upon 40? So 61 upon 40 into it is in the improper fraction, we will change into the mixed fraction. So 40 1 ja 40, here is 40, 40 1 ja 40. So we will write 40 and down in the down of 61. Now 1 and here 2 left. So remainder is 21. So remainder we will write at the top as a numerator. 40 was the divisor, so right now also it is a divisor, and 1 in the beginning, and the sign minus, so minus sign we will put here. Like this you can solve this 4F question. 2 upon 5 from minus 4 upon 15. So 4 upon 5 minus 4 upon 5, now minus 2 upon 5. So LCM of 5 and 15, as I told you, if one number is a multiple of another number, so LCM is the bigger number, so LCM is 15. Now here this denominator is already 15, so we will multiply this here. The second number denominator is 5, so here we multiply it by 3, denominator as well as the numerator. So now this numerator become minus 6 upon 15 and this one is minus 4 upon 15, so total minus 10 upon 15. Now we can simplify 10 and 15 by dividing both the numbers 10 and 15 by 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So answer is minus 2 upon 3. In the next video we will discuss the question number 5.